One of the things that sticks with me from the episode we did with Greg was that they call it a postprandial walk, which is like a walk after you eat, has the same blood sugar effect as metformin, which is like a diabetes medication.
The first time I heard this was years ago from Mark Smelly Bell. You guys know who that is, Mark Bell?
Yes.
Him and his brothers made the Bigger, Faster, Stronger steroid documentary. That was popular for a while. He was talking about this, and he takes like 5-10 minute walks throughout his day and after every meal and stuff. Now it's becoming popular again. Everything comes cyclical. Like